Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of stumble. Trip or momentarily lose one's balance. Almost fall. For example, her foot caught a shoe and she stumbled. American pronunciation. Stumble. Stumble. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Stumble. Say. Stumble. Stumble means trip or momentarily lose one's balance. Stumble. Stumble. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The body tripped and stumbled momentarily but carried on regardless. Now, repeat after me. The body tripped and stumbled momentarily but carried on regardless. The second practice. A searing cold gale caused Raven to stumble hard, off balance. Now, repeat after me. A searing cold gale caused Raven to stumble hard, off balance.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.